With the sounds of Messi, Messi, that's what it is. And Uppal Stadium here has lit up with the arrival of these three superstars.
We can see the legends, the GOAT. We can hear the heartbeat of Hyderabad just got louder. Listen to that rhythm from the crowd. That is the sound of the Deccan. We can see on the screen the GOAT, the legend, Messi, Rodrigo Paul, and with him, the Luis Suarez also. See the sound, the roaring from the stands.
Yeah, Rodriguez and Flores always accompany Leo wherever he travels, wherever he goes in, as Lionel Messi. Now that is something that we were all witnessing for. That is something that you just can't take your eyes away. Right here in Uppal Stadium of the RGI International Stadium, right here in Uppal, Hyderabad. This is a phenomenal moment. Leo himself being right here, and the game is on. I'm sure the game is on right here as a friendly match, of course, as RR9 lead this 1-0. But right here from the commentary box as well, we also are feeling that kind of excitement from the box, and also as the legend himself. And I'll tell you what, he's just called the GOAT for all the reasons, for most reasons, because he's gone out there and made sure the world actually celebrates the way he plays out. And I was mentioning about, of course, Ronaldo. He's been there 10 years elder to Messi as well, but Ronaldo was an inspiration to Messi. That's exactly what it is. Messi saw him play, and of course the love actually exchanged by the Brazilian superstar as well, calling Messi the best ever forward that he's witnessed. Man, imagine, he himself is a legend as Ronaldo, but a legend calling our GOAT another big legend. That's the biggest prize what this man has achieved, I guess, in his life. Yeah,
the world-class legends are here on the ground of Hyderabad. The crowd is literally waiting for Messi to join the team. A little meetup happening there inside the stadium.
I guess we'll just concentrate something right here. This is the first time that we are seeing that Messi 11 has actually crossed over from the halfway mark towards the RR9's goal post. Yeah, probably Messi arriving, supporting psychologically Messi 11 as well, Messi All-Stars as well. That's also a probability, because that's the first time that we saw that the halfway mark was actually penetrated. Another chance here for RR9. The goalkeeper now just gets up in a big awakening, keeps the ball down.
The atmosphere is heavy with magic, Naveen. What a spectacle tonight is going to happen after witnessing the legend, the magical man, the god of football, Messi. In a short while is going to join the team with the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy.
Yeah, sure, he should come in as soon as the cues are on, for sure, for him to walk in, and then you can witness this packed house even more thunderously, making sure that the roof is going to come down. That's the noise that's going to be definitely coming out. Once again, RR9, a nice straight shoot at the goalpost, goes wide away. Somewhere a nice little relief there for the goalkeeper. Well, that is a clear shot that he could have actually passed in instead of going for the straight post. So there you see the left flank, the right flank. The player was asking for the pass. He could have gone in. The right pass could have come in from the right flank towards the goal post, but that did not happen. And that is why, now we were talking of Messi as well, isn't it, as a left footy. That's where from the right flank he was so important. And there is, that's the man we were talking about. And from the right flank, we say he waves his right hand to this marvelous crowd as well. Because every time you go out there as a left footy trying into the goal post from the right flank, it is